because a fruit salad doesn't have herbs in it.
Could have.
Yeah, it could have.
Well, look at it. Does it look like a fruit salad? You can come here and eat it if you.
I wouldn't drink.
You come in here and eat it if you want.
No.
Pineapple and cherry and.
I'm trying to figure out how you make tea out of no tea leaves.
It's called a fruit tea.
Fruity. It's called fruity. Fruity.
There's still no tea.
Well, that's true.
That's what it needs. It needs some tea leaves in there.
Well, you're making tea without tea leaves. Now, how the hell does that work? That'd be like me making coffee without coffee grounds, right?
Without coffee beans.
Oh, coffee beans, whatever. I'm just saying.
She also won't let me have ice cream.
Why? You ate your dinner.
I know I ate my dinner and I tried her tea.
And now she's
Now I'm mad she didn't like my tea.
Because she didn't like your tea, she's not going to give you ice
That's
cream.
right. You have to like what I give you or you get nothing.
Your cat.
Hello. Yes, I know. I know. I hear you.
She's been sitting in my office chair.
Has she?
Yeah, that's where she's been sleeping.
Well, the fire's been on till just a few minutes ago.
Huh?
Did you warm it up for her?
No, but I have an extra pillow that I sit on, right? I take that off because Shadow likes sleeping in that at night.
Okay.
So, you know, you got to make all the cats comfortable, even though the owner can't sleep for shit. Oh, you recording?
Is there anything that's helping you at all?
Yeah, I finally found something.
What, the shower?
Nope.
The hot shower?
Nope. It's that icy stuff.
Yeah? Because it gets inflamed?
I was reading about it, was it this morning or yesterday? This morning. I read an article about it and everything else, and they said that ice it. For what I have, what's wrong with me, because it was explaining exactly the pain and everything else and where it's at and all that, you ice it.
Probably because you're inflaming the nerves.
So they say to ice it 3 to 4 times a day. Now, who the hell's going to walk around with an ice pack 3 to 4 times a day? I'd be like a hunchback walking around.
You know, I have that lavender wrap thing. Look at his face.
I prefer pink. God. So?
It can be put in the fridge or freezer and cooled so that it's icy.
I have a lavender cold
No,
scarf.
that's not a scarf. It would just sit. It would probably go from one shoulder over to the other and across your neck and stuff. And you'd be able to just sit with that on you for a while till it warmed up again.
No, whatever.
I'll pull it out. You just got to keep the cats away from it.
We could put a string on it and tie it around your neck.
Well, what good's that going to do?
Keep it on you while you're working in the garden.
While he's working in the garden.
It's just hanging around my neck. It's not touching nothing. But it'll help you when you're gardening. And it's like, yeah, Dave does a lot of gardening.
Okay. Shh, while I try my tea. Let me get my tea taste in.
As soon as you get her, you can have it.
Well, honey, I did order a half a cake.
Well, how the hell is that going to work?
I don't know. Maybe you could build a little tray off the front of it.
This is what we got to do to keep MeMaw to her exercise.
Back on.
You what?
I said, turn Doc Martin back on. Let's see what drama he has.
She wants us to stop picking on her.
Why?
Picking on me.
Why?
Because that's mean.
It's not mean.
It's elder abuse.
That's how we show we love you.
It's elder abuse.
You want me to call somebody to come get you?
As long as it's a nice place I'm going to.
Well, I ain't gonna worry about that.
And that's elder abuse. Take me to a no-kill shelter.
But after 30 days, Mom, someone doesn't take you, that's it. You're
I
done.
just told her Monk's got a dog.
Hello? I'd like to come pick up my mother-in-law. I don't want her to go a no-kill zone. No kill zone. No kill zone. I want a convalescent home where they don't off them.
Myself.
You're gonna off yourself?
Yeah.
Well, first you got to get up and do something to do that. Right?
No.
No? How are you gonna off yourself?
I'll drink some more of that tea.
I can't believe you said that. Next time I'm putting nightshade in your tea. Biatch.
That's good. That's good, Sharon. You probably won't have to keep that up. You won't have to worry about offing yourself.
Yeah, it would be good iced tea.
It's not tea. It's not tea. It is not tea.
Ice drink. An ice drink.
How much tea do I need to put in it before you'll admit that it's tea?
Whatever you need.
I don't need any. It has lemongrass.
So I have a fruit bowl lemongrass drink.
And ginger.
I don't drink tea. I drink lemongrass
It
and...
has orange peels in it.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Blueberries.
Oh, God.
Cherries and grapes.
And cherries and grapes.
And
That's
apples.
a freaking fruit drink.
Apples.
That's what it is.
Tutti frutti.
Yeah, it's fruit tea.
It's not tea. How can you keep saying that? It's not tea.
Tutti frutti hot
It's-
drink.
I'm drinking it hot, so it's tea.
No.
That's what makes it tea, honey.
She steeped it, so it's tea.
And I steeped it, so it's tea.
You both are nuttier than fruitcake.
No, that's you steep tea.
There's no tea in that.
Okay, would you rather I called it a tonic?
What difference would it be? Well, at least it ain't tea.
A hot toddy.
A hot toddy. There you go.
We
There
need
you go.
Need some toddy for
Put a
it.
little whiskey or something in there. You just right, yes, you know, a fruity whiskey drink. And I got a backer on that. My wife thinks I'm a loudmouth.
I don't think you're a loudmouth.
What, because you say fuck you?
What's that got to do with being a loudmouth?
I said it loudly.
You. I wasn't very loud. I said it loudly. Oh my God.
So now she's a loudmouth.
Now she's a loudmouth.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We're all going to get euthanized.
Would you please turn on Doc Martin? We can watch something funny. Some
You don't think
drama,
Dave
so
is
we can
funny?
watch some other drama instead.
Instead of our drama?
Yeah.
We have drama?
We have drama?
Yes.
Apparently this is our drama.
We have drama?
We have drama.
Really?
Yeah.
What's our drama?
What, yeah.
Talking about dying.
Is that drama?
That's
and
drama?
And getting killed.
That's drama?
That's drama.
That's
That's
a
life.
conversation.
Getting killed would be drama.
Well, if you did get killed, yeah, it probably would be.
Well, I'm not aiming to get it on video.
I thought you had your video running.
I do, but it's pointed at Dave.
Oh, okay.
It's pointed at me so I can take me to the gulag.
Yeah.
I have evidence, see? Take him away.
He said.
He bad. He against the state. All right. Turn your show on. I'm leaving. That was the last sigh I could
Do it again, MeMaw.
go.
So this is the footage that I mentioned the other day in my video when I was making that tea, that I just set the camera up and let it run for a while. Now I did have to cut some stuff out because those two do like to talk about their politics an awful lot. So there was some stuff that probably would have gotten me a ding from you know who. So I cut it out and I just left kind of the fun stuff in. And I don't know. I laughed when I edited it, so I hope that you get a good laugh out of it too. We do have some shenanigans around here, and we do like to laugh, that is for sure. So I'm appreciative of your time today that you've spent coming in here to hang out with us and listen to our chatter. And I hope that you're doing well. If you have any questions for us, leave them down in the comments box, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. We do have a live coming up soon, May. Ooh, what day will it be? Like May 7th, I think, is our next live. So look forward to that. I hope to see you there. Dave will be there with bells on. He's over here listening to me. Do you want to come and say goodbye with me?
No.
Why?
I don't care.
Come and say goodbye with me.
No.
He's a butt. So
Yep.
I will say thank you for watching. Thanks for coming and hanging out. We do appreciate you. We do. Dave does too. He just doesn't know it yet. Just kidding. He knows it. He appreciates you too. He appreciates you because you keep me out of his hair. He's making me all nervous because he's sitting there watching me talk to a camera. Talk to you guys. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye now, and I will see you soon. Take great care of yourself. Bye now.